And just a disclaimer, I'm not some pro kombucha maker whatsoever. I'm just following this, you know, the steps. And if a noob like me can do it, you can do it too. So see you in the morning. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's gonna be another random video, but it's also gonna be fun because I'm gonna make kombucha, and it's my favorite drink. In case you don't know what that is, it's actually just fermented tea, and it tastes really good, and it's apparently good for your gut. Hallelujah! Look at that round big thing. My gosh, it's so big. Hi, Scoby Doo. Okay, now gonna make some kombucha, guys, today. Look at that. So I've ordered this on Shopee. It's $15 Singapore dollars. So it comes with the Scoby. And they also give us a bag of black tea so we can start doing it. They're very nice to give me like the list, like what we should do. So I'm gonna put this in the description below so you can check it out. So first off, we are going to boil 1 liter of water with 2 tea bags. So, and 100 grams of sugar. So let's go. I just washed this glass jar. You can buy it at like those you know, stores that sell this kind of thing. It's like $11 for 4 liters. Okay, now so I already like boiled the water and the black tea and put the sugar in, which is 100 grams. So apparently you have to make sure that this solution is no longer like hot, otherwise it will kill the Scoby. Apparently the Scoby is a live thing, so we need to make sure that it's not burned, right, and die. So we don't want that to happen. So let's see the next step after brewing this. Just dump this inside the jar with the Scoby and the starter tea that comes along with it. Guys, so I've got this already cooled down. Oh my gosh, this is the mother Scoby. Look at that. It feels very jelly like. I don't know, this is just a starter tea to keep it, like, you know, starter. Whoa! Whoa! I'm gonna leave it a couple of days and then we'll just check in with it and see whether it grows. Apparently it will grow to the size of the whole entire thing. So let's see whether it works, and I'll keep you guys updated. You know, put this right now, a clean cloth over this, and but make sure it's breathable. So you see there's holes in it, and then we'll just put like a rubber band to tighten it so that, you know, the house flies and stuff won't get it in. What's up, guys? It's day 1. Like, there's a layer of stuff going slowly. You can't really see it here. There's like some bubbles, so I'm not sure if that's healthy, but let's see how it goes. It still smells a bit vinegary. Check in. Quick update on day 2 kombucha making. You can see that, oh, look at this layer here. It's growing. It looks really pretty for now. Hopefully I can give you guys more update on next day. Just day 2. So this smells like apple cider vinegar right now. Definitely you can see a thin layer growing on that. Good afternoon, guys. Day 5 update. Sorry, I forgot to record yesterday's, but oh my gosh, it looks kind of big right now. Can't really tell. Oh, you can see there's like some cloudy thing going on. Look at this big layer here. Oh wow, it looks so gorgeous. Wow, cool, right? Like an alien now. It is an alien. Hello. Look at that. It's so crazy. Can't really see it through the camera because it's not really focusing right. But it looks really epic, guys. So we'll see how that goes after 10 days, whether it's tasty or not. I think they're growing another one. Look at that on the top here. It's another layer. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It doesn't look moldy or whatsoever like some of the videos I've seen. Apparently there's some difference if you use like organic and stuff, but this one looks really organic, and apparently I shouldn't have messed it because now look, it's sinking. The mother Scoby is sinking, but there's a lot of layers creating right here. So I'm excited to try it soon. It doesn't smell so vinegary anymore. It smells very, definitely smells like kombucha, and you can see like there's some white color stuff there. Let me see if I can push this on the light. Whoa, you can definitely see this. You look at this like cloudy thing. That's definitely the Scoby. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of it. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to try. Clear, you can see it's one whole top layer now. I think because the first few days I messed it up, so like these were floating. I can't even see the mother Scoby now. I'm trying not to move it so much, but oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna do a quick taste test to see how it exactly tastes on day 8. It's so jelly-like. Oh my gosh. Okay. It doesn't smell any vinegary anymore, so alright, time to taste. Okay guys, cheers. My first, oh! I don't know, it smells like egg. Here goes nothing. Oh! Okay, it's starting to taste like kombucha and it's really sweet. The smell is bad, but it tastes good. Okay, now we're gonna get, okay, I don't want to be biased, so I'm just gonna get Jane to try this with me. Jane! Yeah. Okay, smell it first. What does it smell like first?
Rotten egg.
Okay, don't smell it. Just drink with an open mind. Go. Nice, right?
Tastes like jam.
Jam?
Yeah.
No, just drink again. The smell is bad, but the taste is not, right? What do you think?
Tastes a bit like kombucha.
Almost, right? But it's just not, it's not fizzy because right now it does not, we didn't seal it up. So when we put like grapes or strawberries with this like solution, then it should be fine. What's good, everybody? It's day 9 and oh my gosh, there's so many layers now. I'm so proud of it. And I can see that there's some weird black stuff, and apparently it's safe according to some of my friends who are experts and they're selling kombucha. So thanks, shout out to Hui Xian and Sunan for guiding me on this process. So I'm gonna start bottling up. Okay guys, I just had the taste test and it's super duper fizzy. It tastes so fizzy and it's sweet. It smells still a bit rotteny. I mean, it's not very bad now. Apparently that's normal, but so that's okay. So I'm just gonna start bottling up. I'm gonna try with grapes and bananas because that's all I have. I'll probably buy more tomorrow and like bottle them up, but let's see how this goes. Okay guys, so I put like a quarter of banana with like some honey first because I'm not too sure. Apparently some say it's very sweet, so I just try a quarter first, and then I put some grapes with honey as well. So it's a form of sugar to allow the yeast to still eat and still grow. So now we're gonna take this baby out and see how it goes. Oh my gosh, it's so bouncy. Like, I feel so weird. It looks like it's moving. Oh my gosh, it's so weird. A few layers here so it's empty. So basically if your friends have extra, you can actually just do this, they say, and you can actually eat this. But I don't know if I want to eat it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it looks like a freaking alien. Okay, this is the original one. But I have no idea why is it so weird.
Is it dead?
It looks like a mother piece. Oh my gosh, it feels really gooey and weird. It really looks like a mother alien. So the original piece was this small. You know, it has grown bigger and bigger and bigger. So I'm just gonna dump this in. Whoa! That was a close shot. Ooh, this is a 330 ml bottle. Amazing. Buy it. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, then we gotta tightly lid it and we're gonna put it back to where I put it long time ago. Next one in. Wow, quite successful. My first try. Okay, now this purpley one looks like aliens. Oh, this looks. Oh, this is too much carbonation. Oh no, this is a perfect kombucha brew, everyone. That's according to the internet, all the experts, right? Ta-da! The end result. Look at that. So gorgeous. So I've had both already tested and they taste nice to me. So let's have Jane to taste and see which one she likes more.
What tastes like beer?
They are fermented. See? Ooh, second round. How? It's very hard to describe, right?
Yeah.
But do you like it? Would you drink it?
I think this is mild banana taste, like fizzy banana drink.
Okay, so would you drink this? Yes, ah. So thumbs up, thumbs down.
Thumbs up.
Ding ding ding. Next up.
This one tastes a bit, I smell a bit weird. Like toilet smell.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very, very mild taste.
It's not taste at all. Maybe because the grapes is not sweet lah. That's why. That's why I put a bit honey. But okay, between these two cups, which would you go for?
This one.
Whoa, the banana! Are you serious? Jay! Now my mother chef will try this banana one. See whether she like it. Not bad ah?
Yeah.
Really?
Cancel.
Woo! Approval! Thank you!
You should try this also.
It's so hard to get her approval because she's like top chef and she's got very picky taste. So let's see which one she likes more.
They both nice eh?
Both nice ah?
Yeah.
Okay, which one would you choose more?
Both the same eh?
Both the same ah?
Yeah.
Because they're the same kombucha, it's just the flavor.
Yeah.
Okay, but if you only can choose one, which one?
I like this one.
Whoa! Okay, this is a success for me.
I like this one I think more.
How?
I like the red one.
She still don't like.
Like the very citrusy taste.
Citrus taste ah. So you, okay, which one will you pick one? Pick
Okay, I like the red one more.
the red one more ah?
But
2 votes for the
But
red!
both is still no for me.
Oh man, one day we will get you. Hey, so this was a success and hope you guys enjoyed the process like me. If you are looking to do and brew your own kombucha, make sure to let me know. I'm not an expert, but I'll try my best to guide you as well. So make sure to subscribe, like and share if you found this funny, helpful or anything like that. See you in the next vlog. Cheers!